Is Panasonic a smart TV? Whether a Panasonic TV is a smart TV depends on the model and the features it offers. Panasonic, like many other television manufacturers, produces both traditional, non-smart TVs, as well as smart TVs that come equipped with internet connectivity, apps, and streaming services. If your Panasonic TV allows you to connect to the internet and access online content such as Netflix, YouTube, and other streaming platforms, then it is indeed a smart TV. In this explanation, we'll explore how to determine if your Panasonic TV is a smart TV and what smart features it may offer. Check the model and release year. One of the easiest ways to figure out if your Panasonic TV is a smart TV is to check the model number and release year. Panasonic has released many smart TVs over the years, and newer models, particularly from the last few years, tend to come with smart features. The model name may include terms like Smart TV, Vira, or 4K, which could indicate that it's a smart TV. You can look up the model number online to confirm if it has internet capabilities and streaming support. Look for internet connectivity. A major feature of smart TVs is their ability to connect to the internet. If your Panasonic TV has Wi-Fi connectivity or an Ethernet port, it's a good sign that it is a smart TV. You can check the TV settings to see if there is an option to connect to a wireless network or use a wired connection to the internet. Internet connectivity is essential for accessing streaming services and other online content, which are key features of smart TVs. Check for built-in apps or App Store. Smart TVs typically offer built-in apps like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, and others for easy access to online content. If your Panasonic TV has a menu or home screen where you can quickly open these apps without needing an external device, it is likely a smart TV. Additionally, some Panasonic smart TVs allow users to download new apps from an app store, further expanding the entertainment options. In conclusion, whether your Panasonic TV is a smart TV depends on its model and the features it offers. If your TV allows you to access online content, support streaming services, and has internet connectivity, it is definitely a smart TV. You can confirm this by checking the model number, reviewing the settings menu, or consulting the user manual to verify the presence of smart features.